My heart aches and drowsy numbness pains my sense as though of hemlock I had drunk or emptied some dull opiate to the drains. 1 minute passed, and Lethuars I had sunk. 'Tis not thou envy of thy happy lot, but being too happy in thine happiness, that thou light wings tried of the trees in some melodious plot of Britain grin and shadows numberless, singest of summer in full throat is. This poem is written by the John Keats, who is the best romantic poet in Romantic period. The poem is namely Ode to Nightingale. Thank you. Please comment. How do you feel? How have you felt?